We haven't had a lot of film because it's been bad weather, it's been rainy, I've been sick, thanks to her. We have been practicing for a fishing trout derby this weekend, so stay tuned for that video next. We have some shout outs that we wanted to give out. The first one is Social Anglers Fishing Forum and Facebook page Trout Fishing. So thank you for liking our video and sharing. Let's continue with today's vlog and go fishing. Let's go! Putting sauce into my hookup bait, so it might help with the fish to catch. Hi, well, fishing's really slow out here, so while we're trying to catch a fish, why don't you watch a video of us unboxing a package that Hookup Bait sent us. And we are so grateful and so thankful for you doing this, so. Hi guys, it's me, Haley. And me, Houston. And today we are unboxing Hookup Bait. So, and also shout out to you, JoJo. Thank you for liking our video. So we have our snippy scissors and our package. I'm so excited. No, this way. Wrong way. Do half and then I'll do half. Oh, half in here. Here we go. Whoa! It's glitter! Glitter! Yay! Do they have blue? Yay! They have blue and purple! Look at this blue, Haley. Oh! There's so many blue and purples! And pinks. Oh, darn it. I dropped. There's so much stuff! My mind is blown. Pink. I think this one's mine. So pretty. Because there's two more purples right there. I can't speak. Wait, no. I get two purples. You get two. There's so many pinks and so many purples. Look how pretty this is. And there's. Look at that beautiful pink. Oh, pink. Daddy has more stickers than me. Thank you, Hookup Baits.
What do you got to say to girls that say they can't fish?
You can, if you believe it. Hi, well, I'm using a pink hookup bait, and we're not catching anything. We're on South Lake, because we didn't catch anything on North Lake. And ever since the bad weather, fish have disappeared. So, hopefully we can find them. Finding Chris and my sister now by walking. Also, we cast once, we step 5 feet forward, and then you cast again. My sister takes 10 billion skips. There's my dad, that's how far she is. I'm so much taller and I love it. No! We're on a hill. So, on a hill. What hookup bait are you using? A purple hookup bait. Same one as always. I'm using pink. Because my black one. Okay, let's go up the hill and run down. Why? Let's try.
I have a camera! I'm not dropping you.
It was hard work
Look!
Wait.
I'm almost...
Do you see this, Haley? Somebody in a scooter went down there.
Ooh.
They went.
Kirsten! Look at her.
Comment down below if you think we should make a trolling video on our boat. We're gonna try a different spot, so we will probably see you when we're there. We didn't catch any fish, guys, but like the bad weather just pushed all the fish deep, so thanks for watching. Bye.